MetaMask, Crypto Wallet Review. Watch before using. Welcome to the review of MetaMask's mobile crypto wallet. If you're diving into the world of decentralized finance or just managing your cryptocurrency, MetaMask is an essential tool you need to consider. Designed for both beginners and experienced users, MetaMask offers a streamlined, user-friendly interface while providing robust security features to safeguard your assets. The app allows you to store, send, and receive Ethereum and ERC20 tokens, and also gives you access to decentralized apps, dApps, directly from your mobile device. One of the standout features is the ability to sync with your MetaMask browser extension, ensuring seamless access to your wallet across devices. Security is a top priority for MetaMask. It uses hierarchical deterministic settings for enhanced key generation and management, and offers biometric authentication for quick access. You're in control of your private keys, meaning your assets are stored locally on your device, not on centralized servers, reducing the risk of hacking. MetaMask also features an intuitive interface for swapping tokens directly within the app, with real-time gas fee tracking to ensure you get the best deal. The built-in Web3 browser enables you to explore dApps without leaving the wallet, making transactions fast and straightforward. MetaMask is perfect for users who value convenience and security in managing their crypto portfolio. It supports custom tokens and networks, allowing you to easily manage multiple assets in one place. The wallet is open source, which means it's continuously audited and improved by a global community, adding an extra layer of trust. However, it's important to note that, like any wallet, the safety of your funds depends heavily on how you manage your private keys and seed phrases. Losing them means losing access to your funds. Overall, MetaMask's mobile wallet is a powerful, flexible, and secure option for managing your crypto assets on the go. Whether you're trading tokens, interacting with dApps, or just looking for a reliable wallet, MetaMask is a top contender that shouldn't be overlooked. Make sure you fully understand its features and security measures to make the most of this versatile tool.